Wala akong pambayad sa gym ngayon. Mag-home na lang tayo. First day, another kemi sa buhay. Patamayo. Ayoko patamayo. Let's go. Tara na mag-toothbrush. Tapos na mag-toothbrush. Kain na sa mga sabak. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga saging-saging. Pero sabi kasi, since, di ba, sabi na kailangan ko mag-gain ng weight. So, kakainin ko kahit ano yan.
Tuloy siya. Teka, stop mo. Ano pala mo? Nag-apply siyang assistant daw. Shit. But what is this game? Fucking do it.
Let's go na, Bella. Let's go. Tapos na may kumain. May natirang dalawa. Kakainin ko yun mamaya. So, ngayon maglilinis muna ako dito. Tapos maya mag-exercise. Tapos na ako magligpit ng bigaan. Let's go na sa pag-exercise.
Crazy how I feel the most warm when it's cold. But now I found a way to heal myself inside. Baby, crazy how the person you love gives you my space. I aim to be great. And you used to say myself out loud. Turn the song up if you feel free. Let it all be free to fly. I know it's hard, but it's worth it to help you realize. Baby, back, yeah. Act like you was love. Hold up, watch it over, be so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, baby. One day, so I'm no question, I'm a resume. Don't have to get it. You see me rolling, so it's you. Don't know me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back. Yeah, switch texts on my ex. And I'm not flex on my ex.
To set the tone from start to stop with Spotify Premium. Listen to and albums in any order.
And I could go so many things, and you're selling your clothes, and you're touching me, cause I'm out of jail, like, gotta go slow, running away, running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't need you, 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 but I want you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't. Just remember who showed you that. Used to be about yourself, now you're selfless. That I could do that, but I don't fuck with you like that. Paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Oh yeah, got me looking forward to weekend show.